Kia has introduced the all-new K3 at a special event in Mexico City. The K3 is a name not known in the US or even Mexico for that matter, but in South Korea, it's the name used on the Forte. As such, this sedan and the new nameplate will likely supplant the Forte in Mexico, and quite likely here, too. The design is much more distinctive than the current Forte, and it borrows significantly from the larger K5. The K3 has an opposites united design and a fastback-style silhouette, and the lines of the chrome trim and roof trim intersect nicely. It also adopts a slender tiger nose grille that is flanked by swept-back headlights, which flow into stylish daytime running lights. Further back, an integrated rear spoiler and taillights that are connected by an illuminated strip. Buyers can opt for the K3 GT line, which has a more aggressive front bumper, 17-inch alloy wheels, and 2 exhaust tips. Inside, the interior also reminds us of the EV6. A 4.2-inch digital instrument cluster which shares the same housing with a 10.25-inch touchscreen. The panel beneath the central air vents and air conditioning display also appears to be reminiscent of that in the EV6. Under the hood, there's a 1.6-liter four-cylinder that develops 121 horsepower. It paired to either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic. If that's not powerful enough, the K3 GT line has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder with 150 horsepower with 6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. The K3 will goes on sale in some markets in the fourth quarter 2023.